The financial goals we were hoping to accomplish was to redo our floors. Our house was built in the early 1900s, so we had remodeled our house from the roof down, and we were down to the floors. Also wanted to pay off bills so that it made it a little easier to pay our house off. What made Hometap different is they were a lot easier to work with. We contacted a couple other companies, and we were ineligible due to the fact that we had over 5 acres, so they weren't interested in working with us at all. They only worked with people that had smaller lots, and also the insurance was much more strict. So Hometap was just a better option for us. They were easier to work with and told us yes, where others had told us no. What I liked about working with Hometap is they made each step very simple to follow. Gave us simple instructions, didn't make it complicated. After we finished the first step, letting us know what was next, what we needed to do to keep moving forward.
Tonya came to Hometap with a few financial goals. With plans to sell in a few years, Tonya was looking for an easy, straightforward way to access the equity in her home. Working with Tonya was a pleasure from our first phone call to receiving her funds. She explained her goals and how she was hoping we could help. Tonya had a unique property. After talking through the process with her, we were the yes she'd been looking for.
We were able to pay down a lot of debt, which will make it easier us to pay off the last little bit on our house. Being able to do the floors, which might have been an impossibility to do before selling our house in a few years. Overall, it's just been a really good experience, and I only have good things to say about Hometap.